Did you know you can turn on a light using a remote control? Of course, most people already know that. Now my order of blinker lights has finally arrived. Let's unbox it first and carefully inspect everything to make sure the order is correct. This is always important before installation, especially when working on electrical equipment for a boat. Good news, everything is complete and correct. Now we can continue the installation of the flash beacon system for the boat. And this is the remote together with the control device. The only problem is, there's no instruction manual included in the package. But don't worry, I already understand the wiring and how this system works. So just watch closely, because the installation is actually very simple once you know the correct connections. This is one of the advantages when you have basic knowledge in electrical wiring and boat electronics. You can troubleshoot and install things yourself even without a manual. Now let's begin the setup. The red wire is the positive wire. I also prepared a short jumper wire that will connect the positive input supply to the COM terminal of the relay. Next is the black wire, which is the negative wire. Here, I will connect both the negative wire of the blinker light and the negative wire from the power supply together. Now we will connect this red wire to the V+ input terminal. This will supply positive power to the control module so the remote system can operate properly. Next, we will connect the black wire to the ground terminal. This black wire serves as the negative connection of the system and completes the electrical circuit for the device.
Green and bright natural papaya enzymes with SPF 20. Lola Kit feeling. Doble puti, doble ganda. Simply G, simpleng ganda. Simply G, simpleng ganda. Simply G, simpleng ganda. Win Radio!
Now this short red jumper wire will be connected to the COM terminal. This connection will allow the positive power supply to pass through the relay whenever the remote control activates the system. It may look simple, but proper wiring is very important to make sure the blinker light operates correctly and safely on board.
Fresh at hassle-free. Watermark, sarap maging mom.
Ate girl, nag-Alco-Plus ka ba? Eh, ikaw po yung manong nag-Alco-Plus ka ba? Siyempre, hindi niyo ko masasagot. Radyo to eh. Di Proximana po, ang tagapagpaalala ng kalinisan. Alco-Plus, Alco-Plus. Isopropyl alcohol is a generic name of Alco-Plus. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Nag-Alco-Plus ka ba? Ako, plus Alco-Plus.
And now for the final connection. The red wire from the blinker light will be connected to the normally op terminal, which means normally open, once the remote control is activated. The relay will switch on and send power to the blinker light automatically. Now that all the wires are connected, it is very important to double-check every connection carefully before turning the power on. Always make sure the wiring installation is correct, secure, and free from loose connections to avoid electrical problems or damage to the system. All right, everything is finished. Now let's place the control module back inside its casing for protection against dust, moisture, and accidental wire contact. Keeping electrical components protected is very important, especially on board a boat where vibration and moisture are always present. And now comes the exciting part. It's time to test the system and see if our installation really works. Let's power it on, and let's go. Now the red alligator clip goes to the positive terminal of the battery. And of course, the black clip goes to the negative terminal. Everything is now connected. So let's press the remote and test the system. Yes, it works perfectly legit. Now the flash beacon is fully installed. We mounted it on the mast of the boat so the light can be seen in a full 360-degree view, especially during nighttime operations. This setup improves visibility and helps make the boat easier to spot from a distance while out at sea. Simple installation, but very important for safety and awareness, especially at night. See you in my next upload, Channel Yacht, Boat Life PH.